Hey guys, welcome to AeroRobotix. So in the today's video, we are going to fly. No, we are going to crash this aircraft. And as you know, we make different types of aircraft. But this aircraft crashed because it's our first aircraft which is made up of aluminium. And we don't have any experience in that material, which is why it's crashed due to some reasons. So let's first see its flight and then we will discuss why it crashes. One reason for the crash is that the wing of this plane is made up of aluminium and aluminium is not rigid. And when this aircraft tried to take off, the right side wing twisted because of wind, and as the angle increased, the lift on the right side wing also increased, causes the plane to roll and become unstable and plane crash in very bad way. Thankfully, all of my electronics are safe. As you can see the condition of our frame, but our electronics is safe and sound. So that's it for the today's video and I hope you enjoy it. This is our first crash video on this channel, as I don't usually upload crash video. And I upload this video to show you that when we try something new, we face many ups and downs, and of course with the time we will become expert in that specific material or specific field. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting content like this.